I'm going to do a parabola problem. This is problem number 11 from quiz 3. When you're given the vertex and the focus. And notice what I did with the focus is I changed it from an improper to a mixed number. First thing you want to do is a quick graph as always. Find out what this graph looks like. So negative 8, 8, and negative 8 and 1/12, a little bit more, and 8. Remember that in a parabola, the focus goes on the inside. So if this is the vertex, then our parabola needs to be doing something like that. So it's opening to the left. Since it's opening left or right, since it's a sideways parabola, I know that x comes first. So it's going to be x minus h equals 1 over 4p, y minus k squared type of parabola. Since it's opening left and not right, p is negative. And remember that p is the distance from the vertex to the focus or from the vertex to the directrix. Since we're given the focus here, and I know that the distance from my vertex to my focus is just 1/12, I know that p is equal to negative 1/12. So if I go ahead and plug this in, I'm going to plug in x minus negative 8, so x plus 8, oops, I don't need those parentheses there, equals 1 over 4, instead of p I'm going to put negative 1/12 times y minus 8 squared. I'm going to focus on simplifying this right now. So x plus 8 equals 1 over 4, goes into itself once and into 12 3 times. So 1 over negative 1/3 y minus 8 squared. Since I'm dividing, I've got a complex fraction here. I'm going to rewrite this with a division sign. X plus 8 equals 1 divided by negative 1/3 times y minus 8 squared. And then I'm going to keep it, change it, flip it. X plus 8 equals 1 over 1 times negative 3 over 1 times y minus 8 squared. So I'm going to end up with negative 3 right here. So my equation is going to be x plus 8 equals negative 3 y minus 8 squared. If you're not sure if you did this part right, you can always check. You know that it's 1 over 4p. Should be in front of your parentheses. We know we need p to equal negative 1/12. So if I plug in, set this equal to negative 3 and solve, I should end up with p equals negative 1/12. Cross multiply. Negative 12p equals 1, and then divide by negative 12. P equals negative 1/12, which is what I needed it to be.